Hello, good morning everybody, this is Trainable with the Fence here with a vlog here. This time it's the Warner Bros Studios in London. Can't you see I'm sat in a car, stopped over. So 7:45 this morning, 8th of June. So Earth stars and quite a nice day. So with that, I guess I'm going to see you there. So we have arrived here now, it's absolutely mental. This is the Ukrainian Iron Belly Dragon in the food hall, so we got this. This is the absolutely stunning time turner. This is the famous cupboard and the stairs. You don't get locked in here, do you? Yeah, this is the Great Hall set. Crazy. One of the largest and longest standing sets. A nice tour, guys. In front of the night bus. The night bus is basically a 3-story bus that, as you all know, is a combination of 2 masts with a 3rd deck with another master on the top. So that's the first 6 beds. Absolutely crazy.
I didn't. Well, we were about to the leaky culprit. That's enough. You mean the leaky culprit actually landed?
Mental. Take the top deck off the bus, and that's crazy.
And there we have a big brief of information. Now, I hope you've enjoyed seeing the many practical effects that are for the film, running over the transport.
Here we have the dry ice or carbon dioxide, and this is the moral of the scene. You have to follow the school rules or else you end up in these sorts of places where, you know, God knows what, including an 8-legged giant spider could come out. Right on the backside. This is going to scare the absolute hell out of you. So, welcome to King's Cross Station, and here's platform 9 quarters, heavy 5972. You know, this locomotive actually had a bit of a dark history because it was rescued from a scrapyard in Wales, I believe, and then it became the glorious engine it is today. Also, you know that once a year, on the 1st of September, there is actually a timetable at 1100 to Hogsmeade. enjoy watching my vlog, please like and subscribe. There'll probably be more like this one. I'm trying to reach 10,000 total views on the channel by the end of this year. But if you could subscribe, try and reach about 500 subscribers by the end of the year, that would be... Have a nice day. Bye.